Hey guys, this is John from Simple Cookery. On this week's episode, I'm going to teach you how to make some miso salmon. Coming up. Okay, so the first step is to make our miso marinade. You want to add 1 tablespoon of miso paste into a flat dish, 2 tablespoons of sake, and 2 tablespoons of mirin. Just get the back of your spoon and keep mixing until the miso paste is nicely incorporated into the sake and the mirin. Great, this is the consistency we're looking for. So now you just want to get your salmon and add that into your miso marinade and get it nicely coated on all sides. Before you add the salmon in, just make sure all the scales are taken off the skin. If you want to learn how to do that, I'll link a video in the description box down below which shows you how to make crispy skinned salmon. And before we start cooking, you just want to transfer the salmon out of the marinade, get the back of the spoon and just wipe a bit of the marinade off. This will stop the marinade from burning. Another tip to stop the marinade from burning is to add a layer of baking paper over the fry pan before we add the salmon in. So preheat the pan over a medium heat, add a touch of oil and lay the salmon skin side down and just want to cook the skin side for 3 minutes on a medium to medium low heat. After 3 minutes, you just want to turn the salmon and cook the other sides until they're nicely golden brown. You see how the marinade is helping the salmon caramelize and develop that golden brown color that we're looking for. But you just want to be careful here and make sure that it doesn't burn on any of the sides. Now each side of the salmon is looking gorgeous. We've got that brown golden color on all sides. And so we're going to take this off the pan and transfer it onto a plate. For salmon fillets of this size, 4 to 5 minutes should be enough. To serve this miso salmon, I've got a bowl of white rice and miso soup. And that, my friends, is miso salmon. Well, welcome to the channel, Charlie.
So good. It's yummy, bro.
Really? Yeah?
It's just nice. Yeah.
Is it cooked well?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like it like still slightly pink in the middle. Yeah. I don't know about you. Some people, some Chinese people, they like it like really cooked. Yeah.
I mean, it's salmon. You can even eat it raw.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It's like melting in your mouth.
Yeah.